So big films like Minar Murli and Tak Jagdish are going directly on OTT, skipping theaters for the obvious reasons. Now, of course, a lot of us are upset, but I think it's a good decision. Let me tell you why. Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince, and definitely I am also upset that I'm only able to watch these films on theaters. They are made for the theaters, the big screen. But the practical truth is it's not possible right now, and both the films are decided to go on OTT. And I definitely know watching films in theaters is a great experience, nothing can beat it. But slowly because of the situation, OTT is winning over theaters, and I made a video about it, do check it out. Now we recently got Bell Bottom, which really didn't do well, and it's very concerning. Now we have a proof that a film will not work well in this time in a theater. And big films like this, Minal Murli releasing in 5 languages. They need to bring that money back. They cannot release in certain uncertain time, and they cannot really wait for a long time. They need to put the film out. And what OTT does? It guarantees you the money. You'll definitely get that money. It's in your pocket. You'll have no risk of how the film does on box office. The performance of the film will not really impact it. And over that on OTT, there'll be exposure. The film will reach out to more than 190 countries. How Fahad Fasil became a star in the pandemic? Because of the exposure he got. Of course, he's not as famous as Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan, but at least people know him around the country now. People are watching movies because it's on OTT. If they had released in theaters, no one would have watched it. Films like Malik, Joji, they did so well and got so popular because of OTT. If it was theaters, it wouldn't have created the same craze. Even a film like Surri Potru, coming directly on Amazon, did a great service to it than coming to a theater would have. And Minar Murli releasing in 5 languages will never get enough screens all around the country. That too in this time. Even pre-pandemic, they wouldn't have reached all over India. But on OTT, they are reaching to 190 countries. Over that, the platform will do its own marketing, which will help the film. And I think that will make the film more successful. We will get a sequel to it. It will help the actor and the director to get more exposure. And honestly, I think Marakkar should also think about it. Maybe it can make more money in theaters, in Kerala at least. But all over India, I'm not so sure. Maybe they can wait for a long time. They can wait for the normalcy. Maybe they'll get 100 crores, more than 200 crores. But it's still a very uncertain thing. But an OTT release will take this film to a next level. And it already has this national award winning film title to it. I know nothing can beat a theater experience. It will be great to watch. Maybe they can release it simultaneously. People who want to watch it in theaters can enjoy it. But honestly, for the sake of the producers, for the sake of the film, right now, OTT seems a better option. And also when you put a film on OTT, you get the money directly. You don't have to wait, depending on your deal with the streaming platform. And you can use that money to invest in new films. But in a theatrical release, you have to wait for a long time to get all the money back to you, which will delay new films to come out soon. And because money is coming back so slowly, people will take less risk and will not really get big experimental films. Now this was my thought. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now we can be all emotional about it, but we have to think practically too. If you want to watch more of these videos early, exclusively, become a member of the channel. To know more, click on the join button and check out all the membership tiers and its perks. Check out the community tab for the latest updates. So guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, share this video, let me know in the comments your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed yet, check out the videos. If you like them too, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Stay home, stay safe.